To inspect and replace the air filter on your RZR XP S, follow these steps. Warning: be sure to replace all vehicle components as before once finished servicing the air filter. Improper thermal protection creates a fire hazard and can lead to injury or death. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. On 2-seat models, remove both seats. On 4-seat models, remove the rear passenger seats. Then remove the access panel by turning the 4 quarter-turn latches and set aside. Next, clean any dirt or debris from the airbox area. Now, unlatch the 5 airbox cover clips and carefully remove the airbox cover. After this, remove the air filter by pulling towards the passenger side of the vehicle. With the filter removed, inspect the air filter and replace if necessary. Next, check the airbox cover seal. Replace as needed. Before continuing, clean the intake and airbox thoroughly with a clean, dry cloth. Important: dirt or debris in the intake tube could result in severe engine damage. Always clean all dirt and debris from the intake tube before installing the filter. Then reinstall the air filter if clean, or install a new air filter if dirty, and ensure it is fully seated. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Next, make sure there are no gaps between the filter ring, and the stop on the intake tube. After this, reinstall the airbox cover and ensure the tabs are aligned and locked in place. Now, secure the 5 cover clips. Then, reinstall the access panel and ensure all quarter-turn latches are secure. Finally, reinstall the seats by aligning the front tabs under the retainer bar and pressing down in the rear to engage the latch. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.